All right, hi, this is James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we're going to show you how to connect a Wi-Fi light switch, a Leviton Smart Dimmer Switch, and how you can use it on the phone, give you a little preview of the app. So we've got the light switch installed, everything's working good, we've got the app installed, and now we're going to show you how to add this. So you need to put this in pairing mode. To do that, you're just going to hold the top of the switch for like 10 or 15 seconds until you start to see a blinking light down here. Okay, so we've got the blinking light. I'm going to release, and then I'm just going to click over here, add a device. Okay, and then we got to pick which device that we've got. So this is a Decora Smart Light Switch Dimmer, Leviton Smart Dimmer. I really like these. We've got another video that shows you how to wire these. And before I get too far ahead, please click subscribe. Please like this video so we can bring more great content to you in the future. Support us. And we're going to have links to this below. If you click on those links, it does help support this channel, so I appreciate that. All right, and now we're going to do connect to device. We're going to pick this device, which is this one right here, Leviton. And it's just going to pop up. It's going to start connecting. Okay, great. So it is connected. I'm going to press the back button, I think, and see what happens here. Okay, so now it's going to ask me to select my Wi-Fi network. I'm going to put in my password. These light switches are nice. I've got a couple of these throughout my home, and I use them to turn on and off my lights with Alexa, Google Home all the time. They also do work with HomeKit. So they're a nice light switch. They don't require any kind of hub or anything like that. As you can see, they just connect directly to your Wi-Fi router over your Wi-Fi network. So that is a nice advantage of these light switches. They also do, they require a neutral wire, but if you've got a newer home, it probably does have a neutral wire, so not a big deal. We've got light switches and some posts on that don't require a neutral wire, but overall, this is a nice light switch. Why I do like this is because it's just clean. You turn it on by pressing up here, you turn it off by pressing up down here, and then dimming adjustment is this lever over here, and that will help you adjust the dimming. So I do like it's clean, it's compact. It doesn't look out of the ordinary, so that's a nice feature for a lot of people. And this is just a little sticker on there. You take that off, you don't need that. It's just to let you know that it works with the app and what the app looks like. So, all right, let's see. Try again. We need to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, continue. Let's make sure I put in the correct Wi-Fi password, which can sometimes happen here. Make sure we've got this into our mode. So this is giving me a little trouble, I think, because I've had my phone off for so long. This is I don't use this phone for anything other than like recording videos when I'm recording with my other phone. So all right, we are connected to the device, and now let's make sure that we get this correct. So I'm going to connect this, and I'm going to put in the Wi-Fi password, and let's connect. Okay. Maybe I put in the Wi-Fi password wrong, and we'll see what happens now. Okay, so I think what I did there is I just put in the wrong Wi-Fi password, which can happen. That's real life. We all forget our Wi-Fi passwords every once in a while. And let's see. Okay, so it says connected to Wi-Fi network. Now it looks like it's blinking and it's connecting to a light switch. Let's see if we can get it to connect. Suspense. Communicating with the cloud. What is going to happen here? Okay, so we got a green light there. I think that is good. Okay, so the light switch connected. And we're just going to name this something here. We'll name it... We'll just do kitchen. Okay, continue, save, and complete. All right, so now you get a look at the app here. This is how you control it. You just click on You click off, and you can see we are controlling the light switch with our phone. It's like magic. And then you can go in here and you can adjust the dimming levels. So, 100%, let's drop it down near 50. It goes down there. Let's put it down to 18%. And you can see the dimming levels changing on here. And you could click this to turn on and off. Click it on, click it off, all kinds of different stuff that you can do in there. Device settings, you can get in here and make whatever kind of, it tells you some troubleshooting stuff and how to update the firmware and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much how you connect these devices and what you can do with them. And then the other cool thing about the app is that you can create these different activities and scenes which let you group a group of lights together so that you can control them and have them do, like turn on or turn off, or when you're going to go to sleep, have everything turn off at the same time. Then over here, you've got this timer or schedule. So we could just add a new schedule. We'll create a new schedule. Sure. We'll just say morning. And next. And we're going to have it run at sunrise. Okay, so that's a cool feature there. And we will say next, and we're going to say next to this, and we're going to have it then manage a device. So we're going to click on manage a device. We're going to click kitchen, done, and it will turn on the kitchen light to 100% brightness every morning at sunrise. So that's kind of a neat feature. You could have it set to turn off at sunset if you had an exterior light, or sorry, an interior light and wanted to turn an exterior light on, or whatever you wanted to do here. So yeah, this is a way that you can manage schedules. Right now, this one would turn on at sunrise to 100% in the kitchen, which is nice. Maybe you want to go downstairs, make coffee, and have the lights already on. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. This is how to set up a Leviton Smart Light Switch.